Welcome to Run Deals, where we have the deals. If you're looking for a deal, you came to the right place. Let's check them out. I have some awesome finds for you today, so stay tuned. Run Deals have pretty much everything, from men's to women's to teens and even kids. I love to find deals on there because I don't have to buy it with the original price. I have a coupon that's able to get me a discounted price. So what I'm going to show you now is something that your kid would love. This right here is an Echo Show Kids. It's going to show them awesome videos right here on the screen. I want to show you that it's different from a tablet and show you more details on what it looks like. Let's check it out. All right, everyone. For this, I had to bring my daughter in so she could tell you her experience with the Echo Show Kids. So I want to go ahead and introduce Arnesia. Arnesia, say hey.
Hey.
All right. All right, Arnesia, I want you to tell me some things that you love about the Echo Show Kids.
Because I like the designs on it. It's so pretty.
Okay. What do you like to do on it?
Well, I like to do is games.
What type of games?
Letter games and learn games and every kind of game.
Okay. What else do you like to do on this Echo Show Kids?
Watch stuff and watch stuff and
What type of shows do you want to watch?
like any show I like.
So it has different apps on here. Do you have the Disney Channel on here?
Yes.
Do you love watching the Disney Channel?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, as you can see, she's on her Echo Show Kids having a good time watching one of her shows. She is in love with this. I am too, because I have parental controls on there that can control where she can go, what's being displayed to her. This is awesome, guaranteed best gift, guaranteed your child would love it. If I were you, I would purchase this right on Run Deals because guess what? You'll get a discount. With that being said, check it out. I hope you enjoyed those deals on Run Deals. Make sure when you go on the app, you go to the category part, find what you're looking for. If you're looking for bath, if you're looking for beauty, if you're looking for children, it's all there. Go ahead and check it out now. Why wouldn't you do it?